Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and from past few videos I have been working on making a video tutorial series on C programming language. In my last video I completed the discussion on a very important topic which was basic structure of C programming language, and in this video I am going to discuss on a very simple topic which is programming style. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. So now let us start our discussion on this very simple topic of programming style used in C programming language. Okay, so as you can see here, I have written down few points, and with the help of these points we will try to understand this. Okay, so programming style is a way of writing each and every statements or instructions in any programming language. So the first point is, unlike other programming languages like COBOL, Fortran, etc., C is a free-form language. There are few programming languages like COBOL and Fortran which do not provide liberty to the programmer to write the instructions or statements in a way how programmer wants. But C is a free-form language. So C compiler does not care where on the line we begin typing. In C programming language, you have the liberty that at any place you can start the new statement or instruction, but only thing that those two instructions needs to be terminated with semicolon. Okay, in a single line you can write two statements, or you can separate it out, those two instructions one below the other separated by semicolon. Okay, next point is, but this should not become a license to write bad programming. Okay, since C compiler is giving you the liberty to write the instructions in your own way, but this should not be taken as an advantage to develop bad programming habits. Okay. Next is, although there are several alternative styles possible, but we should select one style and use it with total consistency. Whenever you will be start writing programming instructions or statements, you may come up with various alternative styles to write the instructions, but you should go with only one style, and every time you should use the same style with total consistency. Okay. Next is, we should develop the habit of writing the program in lowercase. So whenever you will be start writing programs, you should choose the approach of writing each and every instructions in lowercase. Uppercase letters are only used for symbolic constants, because whenever there is a need arises that you need to use few constants in your program, and to highlight those constants you can use uppercase letters. Next is, we should make appropriate use of braces in the program. So whenever it is possible, you should go for using the curly braces in your program so that your program becomes understandable and readable. Next, braces group program statements together and mark the beginning and the end of the functions. Whenever we will be writing down programs, we will be using the curly braces. Curly braces group set of statements together, combined together, and these curly braces enhance the readability of the program, and also it let you understand from where the function begins and where the function ends. Next point is, a proper indentation of braces and statements would make a program easier to read and debug. You should have a habit of properly indenting your program with the help of curly braces and giving proper spaces at the beginning of each and every instruction between the opening and closing curly braces, which will make your program easier to read and understand and debug also. Okay, so we will discuss what is indentation in our upcoming slides. Next is, since C is a free form language, so we can group statements together on one line. Since, as I have told you, that C is a free form language, here you have the liberty to group or combine multiple statements in one line, but that will reduces the readability of the program. So here you can see I have written down few instructions: a equals to b, x equals to y plus 1, z equals to a plus x. Okay, so this is how normally we used to write the instructions in any programming language. So the way these three instructions are written can be considered as more readable. We can easily understand. But these three instructions can also be written as a equals to b semicolon, x equals to y plus 1 semicolon, z equals to a plus x. So you can write these three instructions also in this way. So just looking the way these three instructions are written in one line, you can clearly say that these three instructions are not at all readable and easy to understand. Next you can see main function is written. Okay, so this is the way how we should write the main function, but the same main function can also be written in this manner in one line, which reduces the readability of the program. So that's what I was telling at the beginning of this concept. Okay, so that is what the programming style. So there can be more than one programming style. So whichever programming style is easier for you to read and understand, and also others to read and understand, you should stick that programming style. So this programming style is not at all easy to understand. Okay, and this programming style is not at all easy to understand, but this programming style and this programming styles are easy to understand for the readers. Next point is, however, this style make the program more difficult to understand and should not be used. Okay, that's what I told you. So if you have an habit of writing down the instructions in one line, so it will difficult the programmer also to the readers to read and understand the instructions. Whenever it is necessary, try to use comment. So comment is a very important feature of every programming language. So comments describes your code. Comments helps you and your readers to understand your code. So whenever it is possible, you should increase the use of comments in your program. Comments increases the readability and help in understanding the program. That's what I told you. Okay, here in this slide I have clearly made the distinction between two programming styles. So on the left side you can see I have chosen one style of programming where I have not included the indentation, and more than one instructions are written in a single line. Okay, so as you can see here, so there is no proper spaces here at the beginning of each and every instruction. So obviously just by looking the way how these instructions are written on the left side, you will clearly say this is the bad way of writing the instructions or program. Whereas on the right side you can see here I have systematically organized the code. After the curly braces, before each and every instructions I have given proper space. This is called as indentation. So here a curly braces gets started and here that curly braces gets end. So between the opening and curly braces, how much instructions are coming, I have given a space of tab to each and every instruction, which increases the readability of the program. And here also at each and every line I have written only one instruction, not like this. Here you can see in this line I have included or combined two instructions, but I didn't do this kind of thing here on the right side. Okay, so which makes this style more easy to understand, more readable as well. So this is everything about the concept of programming style. So in this video I have discussed a very simple but an important concept, which is programming style. I hope you guys have got some useful and valuable information from this video. So if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries then let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video where I will be coming up with some other topic on C programming language. And thanks for watching.